was president. Okay. Can you sometimes maybe some malasi? Lindani custom bado kungaiteni. Ngishaisi kwa because of chair. Since ni nyauza ngasifika because of me cause I am me myself and I because uprilance tamya. Last custom hit ifenya jemi mote bizoma break shaisi so kwa sio za image zangu. Okay. Thank you number 1.
Quality time music.
Yeah. I don't know what it is.
This is the song. It's a cover actually. I spoken to her and one thing I can't see the who's my this. Yeah. Check.
Oh, we want Jingle Kelly.
Come on, sing.
I wanna talk to you. Danny Sahara.
Check.
So since the time I've been dreaming to be somebody, made movies out of sticks. Guess it was the creativity. Stood up to my dreams, being up by the wind. Didn't know I see my soul, paying all the bills. I was just a kid, raised by the streets, and everything was nice. Never when I look back, hey, it's being back, being back. Let's forget about the best and get. If you a kid from the poor background, never back down, rise up. My best I'm moving better, wise up. Mungasa, little better, say, Muzu Pumelera. I know you might be going through some pains. Look at you, hey, better than the other day. You still got a text where you have your head. So why you complain? You can make a plan. Never let you down. Let them think that you are down. But God's plan is never done. I'm trying to take them good. Sasa soba good. Give me now and all my